A very good morning to all. Hope you all are enjoying online teaching and videos. So children, once again I am here with the new lesson number 7 from the window, part 1, subject environmental studies. In this lesson number 7 from the window, in this part we will learn how do you feel sitting near the window and what all you do observe from the window of a train. Observation of a railway station, change in vegetation, soil and weather while traveling, then level crossing around us, different type of bridges we cross during the journey. So let's begin with a small poem on train. Hope you will enjoy and can recite with it.
Come, let's play Puffer Train. Puffer train, noisy little puffer train. If you're going to the sea, puffer train, will you please take me? Chuk, 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 chuk. Puffer train, noisy little puffer train. If you're going to the sea, puffer train, will you please take me? Chuk, 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 chuk. Puffer train, noisy little puffer train. If you're going to the sea, puffer train, will you please take me? Chuk, 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 chuk.
So children, before I start, let me tell you one thing, that this lesson from the window is in continuation part of lesson 6, Umana's journey. So let me brief a little about this lesson. Umana is a small girl who is traveling with her family from Kutch, which is in Gujarat, to Kerala. And while traveling, she maintained a diary and writing her experiences from the very first day in it. That is 16th May, on which she started her journey. She learnt about reservation process, about railway platform, the ticket collector or the ticket checker, and then she made friends while traveling in the train. Then she told about the food items her family was carrying, like dhokla, chutney, lemon rice and some sweets, and about the station and all. As she was sitting near the window, she enjoyed every moment, watching green fields, mountains, rivers outside the train. Now, moving to the lesson 7. From the window, it is 17th May. As she was tired while traveling in the train, and all the time she is watching outside from the window. Now it was dark outside, so she went to sleep, and in the next morning when she woke up, it was Madgaon station. Now children, can you tell me how did she come to know that it is Madgaon? On every railway station you will find a board on which name of the railway station was written in Hindi, English and in regional language also. What else children you see at the railway station? Reservation counter, reservation chart by which passengers can read and know about their seat and in which bogie their seat is reserved. Her father, to whom she called Appa, told her that we are crossing through Goa. Here, as the train stopped in Madgaon, they had tea and filled their water bottles from the drinking water area. Children, nowadays we can get food, tea, coffee in the train also, as they have separate section which they call pantry car. Here the train stopped for some time, so after having their tea and their bottles filled with water, they went back inside the train and the train started. Outside the scene is full of greenery. Everywhere fields with red soil and green crops, hills covered with trees seems very beautiful. Here children, what difference she noticed? Can you tell? It is the change of soil and vegetation. The train is continuously moving on the way. She saw some ponds and far away behind the hills more water. She is not sure it is river or sea, but the air is cool. Here she felt the difference about the weather in Ahmedabad and in Goa. In Ahmedabad it was dry, but in Goa the air is cool. As she was sitting near the window in the train, she saw that the train passed a level crossing. Children, do you know what is level crossing? A level crossing is a place where a railway line passes a road at the same level. There are buses with the passengers, cars, trucks, auto rickshaw, scooter, and even tanga and bullock carts also. While watching the level crossing, she noticed that some people do not switch off the engine of their vehicle. With this, there is lot of smoke and noise. One more thing she noticed, which is dangerous, that some people were going under the bars of the level crossing. It's really unsafe and very dangerous. In the meantime, another train passed. Uni and Umana tried to count the carriages in one such train, but they were unable to count. Do you know, children, why? Because both the trains were moving very fast. Again, Umana was surprised as alongside of their bridge there was another bridge for buses and cars. She noticed the difference of both the bridges, of a train bridge and a bridge on which cars and buses were moving. The bridge on which her train was moving, she felt more adventurous. Now it's time for how much you have learned. So coming to the worksheet. First question, observe the picture and write the name. Here two pictures are given. You have to write the name in the given space. First picture is of a railway station. Second picture is of a level crossing. Coming to the second question. Name any two vehicles Umana saw at the level crossing run by petrol. Here you can write any two names of the vehicle which runs by petrol to which she saw at the level crossing. Moving to the next question, why there was much noise and smoke at the level crossing? Because some of the people do not switch off the engine of their vehicles. Coming to the next question, have you ever seen any bridge on which train moves? Your answer will be in yes or no. Next question is, encircle the things which you see at the railway station. Here you have to encircle the words which you observe at the railway station. The correct answers are ticket checker, shops, station master, toilets, and coolie. The last question is, on the political map of India, locate Gujarat and Goa. Hope children, you enjoyed a lot. Soon we will meet with part 2 of this lesson. Till then, thank you so much.